In the first part of this video, we bring you very important information on things and habits that can harm your brain, while in the second part, we educate you on the important habits that will protect your brain and enhance your cognitive ability. Let's begin with the 8 habits that hurt your brain. Number 1. Lack of sleep. Missing out on sleep can harm your brain. Sleep deprivation may contribute to dementia, including Alzheimer's disease. Maintaining regular sleep hours is crucial. To improve sleep, avoid alcohol, caffeine, and electronics in the evening, and establish a calming bedtime routine. Number 2. Social isolation. Humans need social contact. It's not about the number of Facebook friends, but about meaningful connections. Those with close friendships are happier, more productive, and less likely to suffer from brain decline and Alzheimer's. If you feel lonely, reach out to friends or engage in activities that involve others, like dancing, sports, or games. Number 3. Poor diet. Eating too much junk food can shrink brain areas related to learning, memory, and mental health. Opt for berries, whole grains, nuts, and green leafy vegetables to preserve brain function and slow mental decline. Next time you crave chips, choose a handful of nuts instead. Number 4. Loud headphones. Listening to music at full volume for just 30 minutes can permanently damage your hearing, which is linked to brain problems like Alzheimer's and loss of brain tissue. This occurs because your brain struggles to understand sounds, making it hard to store memories. Keep the volume no louder than 60% of your device's maximum and limit listening time to a couple of hours. Number 5. Physical inactivity. A lack of regular exercise increases the risk of dementia, diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure, all of which are connected to Alzheimer's. You don't need to run marathons. Even 30 minutes of gardening or a brisk walk can help. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Number 6. Smoking. Smoking can shrink your brain, impair memory, and double the risk of dementia, including Alzheimer's. It also causes heart disease, diabetes, stroke, and high blood pressure. Number 7. Overeating. Consuming too much food, even healthy food, can prevent your brain from building strong connections needed for thinking and memory. Overeating can lead to obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which are linked to brain problems and Alzheimer's. Number 8. Insufficient sunlight. Not getting enough natural light can lead to depression and slow your brain function. Sunlight helps keep your brain healthy and functioning well. Here are 10 ways to enhance your memory and cognitive capacity. 1. Stay mentally active. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, reading, playing musical instruments, or learning a new language. These activities help form new neural connections and improve cognitive functions. 2. Eat a brain-healthy diet. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins into your diet. Fish, nuts, seeds, berries, and leafy greens support brain health and can improve memory and cognition. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can impair cognitive function and memory. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your brain hydrated and functioning optimally. Manage stress. Chronic stress can damage brain cells and shrink the brain region responsible for memory. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness. Get regular health checkups. Regular medical checkups can help detect and manage health conditions that affect brain function, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol. Stay socially engaged. Maintain strong social connections and engage in social activities. Social interactions stimulate brain activity and can protect against memory loss and cognitive decline. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can harm brain cells and impair cognitive functions. Drink in moderation or avoid alcohol altogether to protect your brain health. Get plenty of physical exercise. Physical exercise increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new brain cells. Activities like walking, swimming, and yoga can boost brain health and improve memory. Challenge your brain with new skills. Learning new skills stimulates brain plasticity and enhances cognitive function. Try activities like cooking new recipes, gardening, or taking up a new hobby. Practice good sleep hygiene. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Good sleep hygiene includes maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring your sleep environment is comfortable and free of distractions. Quality sleep is essential for memory consolidation and overall brain health. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting video notifications.